we would like to give a special thanks to ZURU for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at ZURU Hamsters in a House. Food Frenzy. These hamsters buzz, scoot, scurry, and zoom. For ages 4 and up. We have seen these in stores like Target for a while, but we've never had a chance to try them out. Until today. This is a 1 hungry hamster pack with a suggested retail price of $3.49. On the back, it says, "Welcome to the world of hungry hamsters in a house." These cutie pies have such a sweet tooth. Join them for lunch at the Ham's Burger Diner or stop by the bakery for a cupcake. If you've been scooting around all day, then put your feet up and call for a delivery. Collect all 11 hamster friends. These are some pretty colorful hamsters with names like Pepper, Honey, Chip, and Roxy, Swirl, Frosty, Crumbs, Scoops, and Nibbles Sunday Ham. I think Honey is adorable. Here we have 5 little hamsters, so let's get them out of the box for a closer look. They are pretty small, and they have little brushes on the bottom, so maybe they can clean the floor. The hamsters are about 2 inches long with a on and off switch underneath. So let's see what happens. Whoa, it kind of vibrates there. Whoa, there he goes. He left the building. They move pretty fast. And they should probably be in some kind of enclosure because this one here just tried to jump off the table. We have Crumbs with purple glittery ears. I think this one is Honey. It's kind of orange. Scoops is blue with purple ears. Chip is red with white spots. And Sunday is pink. Here, little hamster party. Oh, come back. Here we go. No. Oh, wait. Come back over here. All right. Why are you so slow there, Chip? Oh, there you go. For $6.99, we have the Movin' Food Scooter, Picnic Basket Buggy, and the Cool Ice Cream Cart. Each one comes with a hamster. With the Movin' Food Scooter, we get Pepper. And on the back, it says, "Grab a snack to go, go, go." The Hamsters in a House food scooter is on the move, serving up delicious hot dogs and hamburgers. There is something yummy for every tummy. At the bottom, it looks like you can get several different play sets to create your own hamster world. Out of the box, there is a cart that has a little window here that can lay down for a counter. There is a hot dog and some paper accessories that you can pop out and fold to make. Wow, the ice cream costs more than the sandwich. Good thing they gave us all this paper money. And we have to put together a little bag. This is a hamster-powered cart, so all we have to do is turn on the little hamster, then place it inside the cart, and it goes. Oh, well, let's turn it back around that way. There you go. There you go. Have fun. Here is the Cool Ice Cream Cart. I scream, you scream, we all scream for the Hamsters in the House ice cream cart. Scoot in and scoop out a sweet treat with all of your hamster friends. For this playset, some light assembly is required. We have to put the umbrella together. The paper cutouts let you choose the top of the umbrella. Then this goes right here to keep the ice cream out of the sun. There's a sign so you can tell all of the hamsters what's on sale. This is a hamster-drawn cart, so we just gotta put this onto Sunday, and there she goes. For the picnic basket buggy, today's the day the hamsters have their picnic. Pack up some goodies in a basket, invite your hamster friends, and scurry along to a sweet place in the sun. Out of the box, we get a hamster. I believe this is Honey. Then we get a sandwich, some bread, a buggy with a basket on top. We can place the bread in there. And there's a little cutout for a picnic blanket. That's cute. Ooh, strawberry pie. Did somebody say pie?
Keep moving, lady. This stuff is for hamsters.
Sorry, my bad.
Now let's see what we got here. What? No red gumballs? What kind of picnic is this?
Well, these hamsters seem to enjoy it. And if they run out of treats, they can head over to the Snack Shack and the Cupcake Bakery. These playsets have a suggested retail price of $9.99, but I just saw them online on sale at Target for $6.99. Nibbles is hanging out at the Snack Shack. It has a gate that can open in the front, and there's a door on the side. There are 3 pieces of track that can snap together, so you can keep the hamster in one space. Wow, look at her go! I like the track. There is no chance of them falling off the table. Then you can scoot into the Hamsters in a House Cupcake Bakery and feed your hungry little hamsters a sweet treat. The bakery is very detailed. It has an awning with sprinkles. There is a backdrop that can be pulled out and flipped over to the other side for a different scene. The little cupcakes can be removed. There is a menu in the front so that Frosty can let you know what's for sale. Here is Ham's Burger Diner. I've seen it priced at $22.99 and online at Target for $16.10. Out of the box, some assembly is required. We got some stickers, and this should go right here. This one has a lot of track. The table can be turned to have food on it, or, to be clear, there are chairs, signs. You can adjust the menu. There is a food trolley for the hamsters to push around, and 3 food accessories that go in at the top. And when I turn the sign at the top, the food goes down the slide and into the trolley. Now let's place Ham on the track and see if she will push the trolley. There you go. Oh, nope, she can't go until she pays. Ching ching. There we go. Aha! It's pushing it. That's hilarious. It's so cute. Wait, what are you doing? You're messing up all the chairs. Then we can take the tracks and the other play sets, combine them together to make our own hamster world. Now we can place all of the little hamsters on the track. It takes a little bit of work to keep them all going. I keep having little hamster traffic jams. Ah, the gate's closed. There, go in, go in. It can get pretty noisy with all of those hamsters scurrying around. Maybe we should have less hamsters on the track. Now we're just trying out 3 hamsters. Let's see how that works. Yeah, that definitely works better. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Hamsters in a House. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog for upcoming giveaways. And we'll see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.